we want to look at the three equations of motion. We are all aware that we have three equations of motion. We have the first equation, the second equation, and the third equation. Now let us look at the first equations of motion. The first equation of motion is what? V is equal to u plus at. Now, where v is equal to final velocity, u is equal to initial velocity, a is our linear acceleration, and t is the time taken for a body that is in motion. Now let us imagine a body moving with initial velocity u in a straight line. Its acceleration be a and final velocity v. Assume the time of motion is t. Now acceleration is defined as what? Change in velocity all over time. That is, our linear acceleration is the change in velocity divided by the time interval of the body. Mathematically, we have what? A is equal to delta v all over time. Delta v is our what? Our change in velocity, and change in velocity is what? The final velocity minus the initial velocity. That is, delta v is equal to v minus u, and we all know that v is our final velocity and u is our initial velocity. So replacing it in our equation, we have v minus u divided by t, which define our acceleration is what? Change in velocity all over time. Now by cross multiplication, what are you going to have? Therefore, we are going to have at equal to v minus u. Now by rearranging, our equation is going to look like what? By rearranging, we have v equal to u plus t, and this is our first equations of motion. It's very simple, like ABCD. You can go over it again and again, you will understand much better. Please subscribe and look for the next video on the second equation and the third equations of motion. Thank you.